Hello children, in this video you will learn how to represent data. But before representing data, let us learn what do we mean by data representation. Data representation is a method of representing information in the form of bars, graphs, pictures, symbols or numbers. Now the information which we collect is called data. There are various types of graphs: pictograph, bar graph, pie chart, etc. Now the data which we are collecting, it can be collected through newspapers, through TV, through magazine, and there are many other ways to collect data. First of all, in this video you will learn how to draw a pictograph. Suppose if you have to draw a pictograph using the given information. And the information given in the form of a now suppose games are given and games liked by students are given. First one is football, then hockey, badminton and cricket. These are the four games which are liked by children. Football is liked by 70 children, hockey is liked by 80 children, badminton is liked by 40 children and cricket is liked by 90 children. Now you can see all ends with 0. So it means all are multiples of 10. So how can we draw a pictograph? First of all, you have to draw a box and divide that box into two parts. In the left column, you will write down the games, and here you will write down that symbol which you are going to choose, that picture, and you have to tell that this particular symbol stands for how many. Because all are multiples of 10, so I am writing that one symbol representing 10 students. Now the games which are given to me are football, hockey, badminton, and the last one is cricket. Now football is liked by 70 children, then hockey 80, badminton 40 and cricket 90. So one star represents 10 students. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, then 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Children, in this way we can represent our data in the form of pictograph. Pictograph is a graph in which the graph is represented by either pictures or symbol. It is not compulsory that every time you have to take star. You can take any symbol, you can take box, you can take triangle, you can take arrow. It's all up to you. Thank you.